Welcome back to Keeping It Simple Crafts, and I hope everyone's having a great day. This is part 2. Part 1 was my shopping haul, and this is part 2 with everything put together for my Easter Tablescape. So this is my dining room table, and my daughter, she did everything, and I think she did a terrific job. And I also added a tutorial at the end. If you would like to do the cloth napkin rows, I added that tutorial to the end, but this is how everything looks put together. So I hope you like it. My daughter and I love to go thrift shopping, and so those vases are all thrifted. And when it gets a little closer to Easter, I'm going to buy some fresh flowers to put in them, and I still have to buy some batteries for my candles on my candle opera. I will try to link as many things as I can just in case you would like to purchase something on my Easter Tablescape. I do get a small commission when you use my links, but it does not cost you anything extra to use my links. It just helps my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate it. So here's the first item that my daughter put out, and that's the beautiful tablecloth. I just love the colors, pretty Easter bunnies, butterflies, and flowers. And then here's the table runner, and these two are from TJ Maxx. So here's how it looks. I love to layer things. Don't be afraid to try new things. Put colors, different colors together. Just have fun. Then there's the placemats that I picked up at Target in the Bullseye Playground. 2 for $5. So I love the pop of pink. It goes well on the tablecloth, plus brings out the pink tulips in the table runner. There's the candle opera. It's Hearth and Hand by Magnolia, or with Magnolia. It is from Target, and I believe it's $39.99, and it holds 12 taper candles. And I just bought the LED taper candles. It was a 12 count off of Amazon. And there's the two pretty glass bunnies, and they are also from Target, $15 each. And then these are from Walmart, and they're $2.98 each. And they come in different colors. So I will link as many of these things as I can for you. And like I said, my daughter did all of this for me, so I think she did a lovely job. I am just so happy. And just have fun decorating. If you don't like it, move it around. And so there's our wicker egg and our carrot garland. And I love the way she placed those. And they're from TJ Maxx. Things from TJ Maxx, I don't know if I can link them or not, but I will try to link what I can. Then she added some of the eggs from the dollar spot. They come in pink and white and blue and white, $1 each, Target, Bullseye Playground, or dollar spot. And there's the garland. And then I found the Oneida silverware at Walmart. So pretty. If you have not watched that Walmart Easter Shop With Me video, they have so many good things at Walmart. I will link that video too for you. And there's the cloth napkins made into roses, which that's one of my favorite touches. The plates are from TJ Maxx, but Oneida has some very pretty plates with bunnies on them. So pretty. And they're like $14.97 for a set of 4. And I will link those for you below. It may show up on the screen, or it may be in the description box. It just depends on what kind of device you're on. If you look close at the silverware on the handle, has a cute bunny. So I'm really impressed because their silverware is very heavy and good quality. I can't wait to get some batteries to put in the LED taper candles. I think that is going to be so gorgeous, especially at night. I just love to have LED candles on in my house in the evenings, so that's going to be a beautiful touch. And then, like I said, I'm going to get some fresh flowers when it gets closer to Easter, so I am just really excited, and I think my daughter did a fabulous job. I'm just really impressed with her work. She is such a sweetheart. Now here's the rose napkin, cloth napkin tutorial. So you take your cloth napkin and you're going to make a triangle, tuck the tag in. So you have a nice triangle, try to line it up, smooth it out. Then you're just going to start at the bottom and fold it. Just try to press and then roll it again and smooth it out. Roll it again, and just same process. Roll, smooth it out flat. Roll. Very simple to make. Just take your time. Roll. And then you're going to take it and turn it the opposite direction and go from the end and roll it nice and tight. And this is going to make the rose. So just take your time and just roll it up. And you can do these rose cloth napkins for any season or holiday. I just think this is the perfect decoration for a spring or Easter table. Now take that end and we're going to tuck it in. And it's a little bit hard to tuck in, a little bit tight fit, but just take your time and poke that end in. Just tuck it right in. And then take, and these are going to be your leaves, and pull one to the left and one to the right. Flip it over. There's your rose. Kind of push down to make it more dimensional. And there you have a beautiful napkin rose. What do you think, guys? Those are so simple to make. My daughter showed me how to make them, and I just love them, so I'm going to be making them all the time now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Happy Easter!